Wait, you're probably wondering why my door is covered in cartons. That's because Mr. Bean inspired me through his genius, like soundproofing ideas. Thought it was amazing, so I had to do it. Moving on.
Hey, it's
Dwayne The Rock Johnson
here, and welcome to my room tour. I've been putting this back as much as I could because I honestly couldn't be bothered, but my mom is getting new furniture in my room, so we have to change it around a bit, and I wanted to remember what it looks like. Also, my friend asked for a room tour. Sharnay, this is for you. So first thing you will see behind my door is a rack that holds my hats, some of my bags, my only belt, and next to it is my calendar that I drew myself, a few notes, and a few pieces of art.
What we have now is my closet. I like to keep it open to be able to see what my clothes look like and they inspire me, and right now it's very messy. And at the top we have some of my clothes and my bags, and we have my clothes as well. I am so happy to be able to hang my clothes up, especially my pants, because I've never been able to do that before, and it was like a miniature dream. We're not going down the bottom because it is so messy and it's kind of embarrassing.
Okay, so right here is one of the walls of my room next to my door. One of my favorite spots. Just with the things you can see here, we have my calendar that I talked about before, my painting that I made, my clock. It took me 2 years to buy this because I honestly didn't want to buy a watch. No, I meant a clock. Oh. And my bookshelf. The bookshelf is one of my favorite things in the room. I love libraries, so having that aspect in my room is honestly amazing. So I'll show you around more in this corner. Here we have some makeup and hair ties. This is where I keep my jewelry. And in the bottom we have more face stuff, and we have this lovely plant. My bass guitar that I got on my 11th or 12th birthday. I don't play much of it, but I want to start playing. My sister's ukulele that I'm practicing. My monstera plant. I really hope it doesn't die, but she's beautiful. Some books, textbooks, my circular mirror. The plant. So on the side of the room we've got my window. It's a pretty big window. I've got some art at the top, pretty self-explanatory, and I've also got some plants at the rim of the window. This baby cactus, this rubber plant, please be okay, this tiny baby aloe vera plant that is almost always dying, another rubber plant, a desert rose plant, and this calathea, and it's dying because I dropped my plant on it and I didn't water it enough, so that's sad. So we've got electronics, my beautiful lamp, some notes for school, some posters, a picture frame. Another fun fact, I made both the table and the chair. Yeah, and we've got my beautiful pin board that I use. I should use it more often, but I don't right now. I've got a side table, which I didn't have before, so I would always have to reach down and grab the things, and it would hurt my back, and a couple of times I almost fell over. We've got some pictures. So one of my favorite parts of my room is this poster wall, and it just has so many posters on it. ever because I dropped it. Oh, this is my bed, by the way. It is a double bed. It's actually such a big deal for me to have my own room because up until now I had to share with either one of my sisters, so being able to have my own space is really nice. Yeah, thank you for watching my average room tour. It's nothing that special, but it's mine, so massive thank you, and I hope you have the best day ever. Subscribe or like it, I don't know. Bye!